Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So let us start with the new chapter, Human Reproduction. This is third chapter of your NCERT book of class 12th, Human Reproduction. Well, you people have little idea about the definition of reproduction, but in this chapter we'll focus on the male and female reproductive system. So the topics which we will cover in this chapter, that is male reproductive system, female reproductive system, then gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, that in previous chapter we have discussed where the formation of gametes takes place, male gamete and female gametes over there. Well, next will be menstrual cycle which occur in female. Then fertilization and implantation we'll discuss in this chapter, and then pregnancy and embryonic development, parturition and lactation. So these topics which we will cover under this chapter. So let's see, the first definition is reproduction. Everyone know organism produce their young ones of their similar kind, like every organism produce their young ones of their own kind, of their similar kind. This process is called as reproduction. Next, if we talk about human, there are the reproduction occurs in two modes, sexual and asexual. We'll talk about humans. Humans are showing sexual reproduction. The mode of reproduction will be sexual, where male and female gametes will be, male gamete and female gamete, like male parent and female parent, individual parent will be there. Now these gametes get produced in the age of puberty. So puberty, it's a basically period during the rate of general body growth slows down and reproductive tissue starts, here the spell of starts, starts, starts maturing, where growth slow down, it means gradually the growth is slowing down, and reproductive tissues, where the cells which are responsible to produce their young ones, they are start maturing. So that age is called puberty. And this phase of life is called adolescence, and here we know about that male reaches puberty at 13 to 14 years, whereas female reaches is little before only, like they are reaching in 11 to 13 years. Okay, now the changes, lot of changes takes place during puberty. If we observe under the male, we'll see thick hair growth under armpit and genital area. Under armpit and genital area, reproductive areas. Facial hairs are growing. Change in voice become little harsh because Adam apple is growing. Occasional penis enlargement as well. The penis gets stimulation and it shows the enlargement in that. At the same time, we'll see in female the basic the most common puberty sign is starts of menstruation. So menstruation, already we have discussed about menstruation. It's a phase where the blood is coming out from the vagina, and it is occurring in the puberty, in the adolescence age. It occurs in the female, so that is called menstruation. Next changes, breast enlargement, hair growth, that is genital area and all. Now here you can check out the male and female changes occur during puberty, like this. Now under this sexual reproduction, the general process. Now if we talk about like sexual reproduction, so where the male gamete and female gametes are responsible for that. So in that we have the particular stage like structure, like gradually it is going with the proper systematic sequences. So the first sequence is gametogenesis, not a new word for you. Already in previous chapter we have discussed about gametogenesis, where the gamete get produced, male gamete and female gamete, right? Then these gamete get produced and then gamete get transferred, and then when they fuse with each other, that is called fertilization, and when fertilization takes place, it will develop embryo. So these are the phases. The first is production, the first is gametogenesis, then we'll see they get transfer. So here we can write the second step will be gamete transfer. Then when they get transferred, they will show fertilization. It means the fusion of gamete is called fertilization. And when fertilization takes place, then the development of gametes will be occur and they will turn into embryo. So these are the phases, these are the general processes occurs under sexual reproduction. So like this, the things are, the introductory part is there in that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.